Hello, let's look at using collect with Rust. So what we've got here is some example code. Let collected iterator vector I32 and we're going to set it equal to iterator 0 to 10 dot collect. So we're going to use the collect method. We collect that iterator and it goes into a vector. So when we print the vector called collected iterator, we should get run. We get a vector 0 up to 9 because it's upper band exclusive. So that is collect, and that's how you can use collect to make a vector. The other way would have been to have used a macro, make it mutable, XS, vector macro 1, 2, 3, done that. See, initial vector 1, 2, 3. If you want to add something to the end of the vector, push 4 onto the vector. We see the number 4 there, so we're going to push that onto our vector called XS, and then we are using the debug colon exclamation mark to print that here. So if we do cargo build, cargo run, and there you see vector 1, 2, 3, 4, because we've added 4 onto the end of our original, and we were able to do that because we made it mutable. Next, let's print the type of the vector. So we've got a function down here, print type of, generic type t, underscore, and then the borrowing the generic type t here, which is there, and we are going to print ln standard any type underscore name. That's what we need to use here. So let's call that function in our main. Print type of, and we're going to print the type of the borrowed vector XS. And there we see vector I32. So that's how to print the type of a identifier value variable. So we can also just do an assert here as well, just to for good measure. If you've not come across assert, it's very easy to do it in Rust. Just assert underscore equal eq. It's a macro. You pass in the variable, and then you pass in the expected result. So if we run that, and if it runs successfully, do not get an error. There we go, it's run successfully. If that was, say, 6, then we ran it. Then we see backtrace. So that's a quick overview on using collect and printing a type. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon with another video.